Hey there, and welcome back to this series of videos on the new Wave.Video live tool. In this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you click that big red Go Live button. So the best way for me to do that is to jump into the studio that I've had ready and prepared. Just before I do that, my name's Anita Wong, and if you haven't got Wave.Video or you're interested in using Wave.Video, there'll be a link underneath this video that will enable you to sign up and give it a go for free. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I love the love, and I will of course then notify you of any new videos that are coming out. So let's have a quick look at the live video. So I'm inside the studio. If you haven't seen the previous videos that have got us to this stage, then there'll be a link to those underneath this video. And if they're not there, don't forget to subscribe because they will be coming out very soon. If you haven't got Wave, the pricing is up here. It's free to start. You get to use the live streaming with a watermark, 2 channels, up to 6 guests for up to 1 hour. So you could really give it a good go to have a go at. Now, I've already added my destination, which is my Facebook business, my Facebook group. I've already added my scenery. I've already got my captions ready. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and click the Go Live button. When I do that, it's going to go live into my group. So when it goes live, it's going to actually tell you that you're live. So now I'm live in my group because it says end broadcast. So if I grab a scene where I am live, so let me switch to this scene, and I'm going to just open up the Facebook group that I'm live streaming to so that you can see what it looks like from the other side. So here is the group. So here inside of my Facebook group, this is the live video that I am live with here. So I'm live here. As you can see, it gives me the time. It tells me who's watching, where they're watching. It also tells me that I can leave if I was a guest maybe, or I can end the option. So what happens when you're live? So as you can see, this is what it looks like in the live stream. And I can see that I've got 2 people watching. In the actual live streaming software, this is where the magic happens. So I can actually write a caption. So I could just put in here, hey, just testing the new Wave.Video live tool. And I can add that caption to the scene. So I've added the caption. And I can just show it up and it shows it there. And then in the live stream over here, it's actually going to show that caption in a minute. So it will show that caption come up on here, and you'll be able to see that caption coming up. So then what else you can do is you can do the live chat. So the live chat is if somebody posts a message. So if I come in here and I go in here and go, hey, Anita, hi, Anita. And I send that up. Over here in my live stream, in a second, I will see that message come up on the chat. Now, there it is there, and I can show that on my screen by clicking on the screen. Now, you can see that I have my picture. If you're doing a live stream in a group and you don't see somebody's picture, what that means is that they haven't clicked the link. So if I go back into my group, there's this link here, and if they click that link, that gives them permission to actually allow Wave to see guests that's on your show and you don't see their picture come up in the chat here. That means that they need to click that link, and that link will automatically show up in your groups when you share it into your group. So now that you're there, you've got your live stream going and everything is working okay. If you don't want the live chat here, and you want it elsewhere so that perhaps you have your caption showing, you can actually make the live chat come out by clicking this button, and it will open up as a separate window. And then you'll be able to see the live chat happening there. In order for me to show you that, I'd have to do a different one. So it's got auto scroll on, so it will actually fill the screen up as it goes. So I could actually show you that. If I just grab that from here, that's very clever, isn't it? Look, so you can see that this is the live chat window that I've got up opened up on my computer. So you'll be able to see that, and you can see that I can make this move up and down. And if somebody adds any comments, it will show up on my screen. You can also then add media if you want, add your captions, and also this is where you switch your scenes to match what your needs are. So you can go through and switch all the scenes up as you need them. Then once you've finished your live stream and you're happy that everything has been finished, all you do is you click End Broadcast. It's going to end the broadcast for you, and it's going to take just a couple of seconds to finish the screen. Now you can see it says ended at the time that it's ended, and that will enable us to, like, we're completely finished now. So if I go over onto my Facebook business page, it's finished now. As you can see, if I refresh the page, it's going to show that that's finished. So this is finished now. And when you're in the studio, it's going to say leave the studio or go to video. So if I go to video, it's going to open up that video, which I've just done on my live stream. And it's actually going to allow me to edit the video if I want to, create a landing page, look at it in the player, embed it if I want to on my website, have a password, send it to an email campaign, get the analytics, and also the video broadcast analytics. And that's in beta at the moment. If I click edit video, I can edit it in the editor. I can also send it to my live studio. So maybe I might want to send that and use that for something else. And I can also share it. If I click edit video, streaming recorded or videos which were streamed before cannot be edited directly, but you can just duplicate it and edit it. So when you do that, excuse me, you can cut bits out of your video and use them for promotional purposes. So I hope you found that video useful on how to actually go live when you're in the studio. If you have any questions, drop them underneath this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use your live video studio as a recording studio for non-live videos. Okay, see you soon.